don't know what in the pill backer. You don't know what kind of pill backer. And you just take the picture of the pill backer and say it's AIDS pill backer, right? And then you say you bring it, go make somebody Google it, and then you have somebody Google it. So like a story then when me listen to it, it not add up. So like really as a fact, it don't affect me. Because if it did affect me in a certain type of way, me that come, I mean that I shout, I mean that I scream with Tikki. You know what Tikki just do to me? Tikki just make me see the real person what him is. When people with that tell me say him is this type of person, I mean I say no, leave him alone, I'm a daughter and this and
It's
this.
true.
Like it just show me him real true identity. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
Him
But big one,
just
me not
let me
cut you.
see who him really
But
is.
honestly, I think that was his bit that was been his identity. But maybe you never see it as what you say him just show you. Because if him never go that low, allegedly to whatever him say and thing, for sure you say him been a try have ammunition over here from long time and a sort, but you just never know. You think that okay then you was this genuine father to him as well. You keep on a call him daughter and something and thing. But him did don't have fee motive towards you.
Exactly. So then that me I tell you say him just show me who him really is because like he's a person. Let me show you how low and dirty Tikki is. Tikki talk about food. Oh, you have to talk about food, bro. Oh, you have to talk about food. You buy me one piece of jerk chicken for $7. Bro, and I like some broke and hungry. I could buy the chicken for myself. I could have. But guess what happened? Tikki is, remember tell you, him is that type of person like this, him is money hungry. You know, you have some people who used to money, and then you have some people who don't use to money. You have some people who know how to deal with money, and then you have some people who don't know how to deal with money. So Tikki is just one of them money gravelicious person. Him is just money hungry. No care how much money him want, him have, him just feel like say him for craving for money because like listen, me just got a machine and me draw $50, right? After the something. Me buy the food for you in at the restaurant. I'ma pay the man
How's the poor good morning?
from him. My friend's time birthday, I'ma give him $10, me give him it. So me they have $120 left from me, right, fam boy? In a cash. So I have the $20 cash for me now and girl come and him say, make a $20 good girl. The girl send the $20 to my cash app now, but show me the pan live. Me tell him say yes, me get the money. But me can't
So
go
come
on the
straight.
cash app to send him the money same time. So him a talk about it and the people them a send me for trouble him and me a trouble him and I say me should send the money. Which in the girl don't say is Tikki should send the money
Me
to
no care.
her.
Me no care. Thank you. Good morning.
Him
Yeah.
say, all right, me get the money for you. But him keep on talk about the money and talk about the money every minute. So me just take out my $20 what I have and me give him and me say, hey, see your $20 and me give you it now. Right? When me give him the money now, me say me want buy the jerk chicken from the man. The man that sell the jerk chicken, him don't have the machine where to tap the card or them something there because if him did have machine like that, I could have tapped the card. Tikki then turn to me and say, him a go buy me the chicken. Me not for worry, him a go buy it. Him pay $7 for the chicken for me, and him buy me one of the roll up bread them in at the store for $1. And like you talk about that, that to show me how low of a person you are. Like no matter what me and somebody have, and me and them a cuss, I will never tell them about food, bro. You cuss about food, like you don't have no worth. You don't have no value. The moment you gonna come buy somebody a food and you gonna come talk about it on the internet, bro. Oh my god, you're so low. I mean I gonna stoop down to your level. Like I don't need to do that because you know why? Let me tell you know why me, honestly speaking, don't need to do that. Me look into myself, I'ma check myself, I'ma say big one, don't make Tikki make you wreck your blood clot self. Because listen to me, I am here before you, and I will still be here long after you leave here, darling dear. Because guess what? Listen to me, big one. Your ending is coming shortly because you're rising for a fall. My mom always told me when plant no want to dead, it shoot. And you're so blind, you don't see who is going to be the death of you. And they're right in your eyes, playing in your face, and you like playing the fucking game like Jack and the Beanstalk, where the tree keep on growing. And it keep on getting bigger and bigger, honey, and you will never see it. You will never ever see it, darling. So I don't need to come and clap back at you. Because me I gonna come now, me have other friends, I'm girl, I don't come on your live and comment, and I am not going to answer you because I will never, ever, ever stoop to your level and argue with you because I see you as a local, dumbass, bitch without class or knowledge, and I'm not going to stoop to your level. I grow around a table eating with knife and fork. I don't know where your mama raised you, but boy, you need to go back to your mama and let she raise you properly. Because you don't have no broughtopsy. That's what you don't have. And that's why I will not stoop to your level and argue with you. Okay?
Follow the host, guys, and follow me, please. And thank you, yeah. Well, I like it, big one, say, fanboy.
Listen me
Look,
now, me see.
look here, women are good. Big one, because a lot of times, when people talk about me, I don't give a fuck, me, because guess what? I'm 44 years old, but the comment to me say, Tikki, this is something about me, my love, I'm not even follow it up.
No, listen, girl, you
Me not
don't
really,
have to. No, what I'm here to remember answer that girl here. Girl, me never calling him. You don't have to leave the argument. You can carry on, baby. Because you know what my mama taught me? The biggest insult or the biggest embarrassment is when you're talking to someone and they're ignoring the fuck out of you. They make you seem like you're not relevant. And that's what I'm serving you right now, honey. Do you like the taste of it?
I think it's when you live a text.
Yeah. Do you like the taste of ignorancy? Huh?
But you know, I don't understand though.
That's what I like to know. Do you like the taste of ignorancy? Hmm? I am ignoring you, darling. Do you
Oh,
like the taste of your medicine?
come.
Hmm? You so dumb, so fool, so stupid. Tikki, right now, if me even see you, me dey tell myself, say when I see you, me I got juke in your eye, me I got this, me I got that, and like honestly speaking, honey, like after a day or two, I just come to realization that you don't worth it. It makes no sense because you're not worth
Yeah,
it.
I hope you guys can put but then Tikki got so low for true.
You
I don't
know
know.
worth it. Like
Sometime,
when I really laugh a few times because I watch you and I find it entertaining when you were talking like a little bit of shit, you know. But then when I really think about it, honey, the curtain is finally closed and the movies is over, and now it's time for everyone to go home.
I love it.
Do you have a home? The movie that you kept, the movie that you kept, it's over, darling, and the curtain is closed. Now it's time to go home. Where you gonna go? Hmm? That
Happy it goes.
girl, you
Love is
talk
some
about
love.
hurt. Yeah.
Sometimes when I love some people, me say, I may I tell us so when them do you wrong and you genuinely know say you love them and check for them. Me I tell us say you want to war with them. But you see, because
Oh,
the way you
come on.
know say
That's
you
a
deeply
deep
love them,
dictionary too.
it's like you
Darling,
can't see
Big
yourself
one,
a war with
yeah,
them.
yeah.
how did I betray Tikki?
Fanboy, me, I hear
Because
you.
come on the internet and said, I think I want a break from you and I don't want to be friends with you because like everywhere I go, Once I go with you, when I leave there, I leave in problem. I go in one piece, and then when I'm leaving there, I don't leave with a piece. So you come
Follow
around
the
me,
horse, guys.
and
Follow the
come
horse. Follow the
around me,
horse.
I don't have my inner
Please,
peace.
me are gonna
And
follow.
that's
Please, me
what
are gonna
matters to me the
56 follow.
most in life. If you
56, I
are
wanna follow me,
ever hear me
please.
talk, I always tell you guys I love my peace more than anything else. I don't give a fuck what's going on as long as I'm peaceful. Kudos to a bitch. I'm happy. I don't have to have money. Me no money
Dan
hungry.
Dan, Sammy Boo, thanks for the follow. One
Money,
Bougie,
money.
thanks. Guys, gonna follow me, please. Thanks for the follow, guys.
Tikki do the same thing them over and over and over and over and over and over.
Rosie near Francis, thanks.
And over and over, I'm come and say, I don't want a friend from Tikki. Over and over, I'm come and say, I don't want to talk to Tikki. Over and over, and him text me and
Cleo, thanks for the follow.
I'm sorry, and him come around me, I'm forgive him, and every blood clot thing, just say do the same thing them again. They could have made the man stab me and kill me. Can you go tell it? Even
But,
if I tell us say the man take fuck
but
like
big
that.
one, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. But do you think after this, would you forever ever forgive Tikki?
Honestly speaking, as me tell you, say, taking a do me a thing, darling dear. Because you know me sit down right as I wait pan. My mother always tell me first laugh is not laugh. You see the last laugh? That's how
Big
it
one, them say recorded all of his conversations. So how are you different from him? Recording a conversation and different from somebody come and say, but me don't know my love. What you say?
Listen, when I say big one this and big one that, Tikki is very messy, and I told him, and Tikki know that the conversations are recorded. That's why he's acting like that because he's aware. He's aware of it. So it's not like say the conversation record without him aware. We make Tikki know. Me tell Tikki, me turn to Tikki like it's not a big thing. Like me don't know why not make this be a big thing. Like that's the reason why he's acting dark and illiterate, and that's the reason why he keep on going and going where he want to go, and that's the reason why he keep on want to argue. I don't want to argue with you. I'm not
No,
arguing
Anna,
with you
I
anyway.
understand what you're saying, but you cannot use two wrong and make a comparison, because if you're gonna say that big one cost Tikki for 40, there's no way I hear big one did a drug Tikki and say certain things. And you have to understand what allegedly or whatever Tikki was saying about big one that is factual. You have to understand that people personal space is different, right? And if big one out of all of them can invite him in a personal space and he was at his home or whatever, and he can go as far, that is a low blow and it is wrong on all level. You cannot justify two wrongs. It doesn't make no sense.
All right, Fambo, come here. Let me tell you something now. Let me give the people them what they want to hear from me, big one. Listen to blood clot. Let me get to come here, act out, touch and bold. Let me get it down to the level. Listen to me, chat. You see, if me have AIDS, I the root. And you see, if me not have AIDS, I the blood clot, ginger. And that I it now. You know what the blood clot thing? You see, if Tikki did come in at my house and take a picture of our AIDS back up on my dresser, be no problem on him. But I just come out, act the blood clot the next day and come tell the girl them say, listen to me, it's a challenge. Cause the bottom and them hide them blood clot pill and me be gonna put my one out in the open. Come put on the pill pan on the dresser. Me that make it set a trend. At least me that show the girl them say not afraid no more. And put out them blood clot pill and make the girl them know. You don't kill nobody, darling dear. First thing first, America, when they all look and fuck them now ask you. Them now ask you nothing about your status. You know what them ask you? Raw or safe. And that them blood clot
Yeah,
accent.
that man
Accent
know.
about status, darling. Here a long time I hear somebody ask about blood clot status. Me hear them ask you raw or safe, and me hear them tell you say I breathe more and you breathe me. coming on my belly. So when the blood clot, you have to
But
say to me.
not but when me I say big one, not only that, you see the same set of people them will like cuss people and
What
bring down
are
people
you
about
going to
sickness.
say
And
about
them are the
me?
same one in the
Like,
circle of
what
fuck with Dick
goes
Tom and
on?
Harris. So me can't understand our situation either.
Girl, you girl in the comment section right here, so I am not even going to call your name because I see
Combo, please
here
stop.
you're
Hold
just
on,
trying to
Combo,
get
please
my
stop, please. Okay,
attention,
me
honey.
and you never
But
have
let me tell
nothing
you
yet.
something and let me
Alright,
get it
Tikki,
clear.
hold on there, big one, hold on.
Hmm?
Big one, hold on there. Tikki, what have I
Yeah, no,
said?
Anna Tikki.
Right? I didn't come out and say no.
What I'm
You
from
are the
myself,
one
I'm
who
saying
come out.
myself.
I'm on the counteracting what you say. I'm a non blaze no fire upon no fire. You are the one who come out and
From moving that area.
the page say Mr. Tikki slash Trev.
Yeah, tick it out. Yeah, what you say now? Big one, what you say? Not big one.
No, one girl over here, she like keep talking. She says, suck your mother, this, that. Those things don't hurt me. So, like, I'm not giving you the time of day. But let me tell you something. You see me? Anybody
What
can
that one
be bad. You know what amazes me? When somebody be good. When somebody
almost
be
come
nice.
back.
That amazes me. That get my attention all the time. That win all the time. You understand? So if you come here and say, suck your mother this, suck that them bitch. Come tell the world that.
That makes sense.
Come tell the world that when you're talking, bitch, you come here another day when my house didn't tidy up and I locked you outside. I didn't let you in. I locked you outside and I tidied up before I let you in. So you think so me did I have my heads fill them and put them down careless to make Batman like you see? He's a lying bitch. 99.5 and we have the tickets still don't change the price of rice. If me go down a mainstream shop, cause guess what, you come on the internet, big one have ears, big one this, big one that, and guess what? The end of the day, man still a look blood clot me. I'm more man. Messi support me show you my DM. I'm more money you make me get a promote myself up business. Thanks for the free promotion.
Guys, we're gonna follow now. I'm
But
gonna let them look a bit better, car.
I only to promote the business when me not do business. I should have when me I do business and promote it. I would have love it. Tikki and AIDS are selling in America. AIDS are where.
Thanks for the follow, okay.
That's why I come here, come skin out your block of pussy and go catch it in it and see if it
Nurse,
can.
big one, nurse bro say what business?
Yeah?
Nurse bro say what business?
Nurse
Shut
Brown
up.
say what business?
Someone shut
In a Nurse Brown tree, Nurse Brown did come on the internet, come say him don't think I am good for tickets. So I don't even know if them in a it about tickets for blood clot chasing. Cause them are wicked, Batman are wicked. Me AIDS out and germ out and you know AIDS out and germ out, but you want
I'm not
blood clot come
angry.
on that AIDS out Batman. I don't want to run me. Me full of AIDS and I don't want to me don't want when me sneeze it catch on one and I catch tuberculosis in my blood clot. So no walk far
What
away.
you do Zan McLean for Mesa Black, yo?
I beg you no do. Walk far and wide when you no see me. You no look for me, darling.
But now I'm black nobody. I'm not going. Cause when I tell the girl the truth and then I tell the girl the truth, when I
Zan M clean so for
eh?
This are the worst part of my life.
Zan M clean say you black car, but sometimes I not lie no.
This are the worst.
Sometimes the people when them were there and them a say you and them went and them still live a go on and so with people are bring you down, them the over there typey.
Yeah, me
I will
get
protect me
that.
see that, yeah.
Yes, let me tell you something. This are the worst part of my life. Clothes.
She said she share the live in black
That are
car.
the worst blood clot.
And that's it.
Yeah. Can't bother to look for clothes when me are going to wear daytime. That are the only